Hey guys, we're going to show you how to set up the Apple TV pixel settings. So right out of the box, you put everything in high resolution. So you go down to settings. So right out of the box, it came in Doby Vision because this LG C1 comes in Doby Vision, the highest form of quality. So you go down to format, click on format, go down to SDR, 4K SDR at 60 Hertz. Then the HDMI output, you're just gonna leave the same. You go to chroma. You go set it to the highest chroma you can get. It could be 444 chroma or 420 chroma. My TV is a 10-bit, is an 8-bit. So it goes up to 444 chroma. Then you go to match content. You can have both of these on. So what this is gonna do, if it's video shot in 1080p, you can put it in 1080p. If it's shot in 4K SDR, it could be put in 4K SDR. It could put it in right dynamic range. Now, check the HDMI that we don't mess with, and only time you touch this reset video settings is to set it back to factory. And that's just gonna put everything in higher Doby Vision on my TV or HDR10 Plus. You don't want that. If you want creative intent, you need to go up here, like I said, and have both these functions on. Now, I'm gonna show y'all some video and some pictures. This to show you that the processor is working. 4K at 60 Hertz HDR. Look at the line. Cats. So you can see on top of the screen, it went to 4K SDR, 60 Hertz automatically when I went back to YouTube home screen. Alright guys, this is at 1080p. Don't look bad, does it? For 1080p. Guys, this is Independence Day in HD. Look at this upscaling. See, in regular HD, look how good it looks on the Apple TV 4K. Good picture. So guys, this is my settings for the Apple TV 4K. And it looks amazing. Please like and subscribe.